by Dr. Aptamu. So now I would like to invite Ato Bamnet Tesfaye to come on to the stage and get ready for the presentation. Before he begins his presentation, I would like to say something about Ato Bamnet, and he is someone special in this faculty. He graduated last year, I believe, and the specialty is he graduated with 4 out of 4. Excellent. And I am sure you have motivated our present students and of course the young teachers. The young teachers and the students, of course some of our colleagues, can take inspiration from Ato Bamnet and start publishing before we perish. Thank you, Ato Bamnet, for getting ready. And so before you start, let me just say something about, let me add some more points. Your research area, the research area of Mr. Ato Bamnet is wireless computing, mobile application development, and distributed applications. And the present paper he is going to present is Road Transport Control System using wireless application programming. I am sure it would be an interesting topic because it's concerning road traffic control, and it is again one of the main problems of developing countries. We have so many accidents, we have been witnessing the deaths on the roads, so I am sure it will come out with some solution to these things. And he is our product, he is from Bhardar University, and we are proud to say that he is someone special. Now it's time for your presentation.